Babe said he has a massage planned for me. I'm on the floor. I'm on the floor. Okay? Massage planned, scheduled. I'm supposed to be spending time with my lovely children. It's not even 12:30 yet and they're already sleeping. I'm about to wake their butt up because I packed food and all this juice and all this stuff to go to the beach. I'm actually at the beach already. So let's look at Milani. That's what I'm about to do now. Wake them up.
Chicken. Why they wash my hands?
You wash your hands?
Yeah, I wash my hands.
Good job.
Milani have to wash your hands.
Milani hand is fine. Really.
My umbrella.
Leave her with the umbrella.
My can have this.
No, leave it alone.
Umbrella.
Sit down. Your sister is holding it for you.
Umbrella, mommy.
Sit down, Kai.
Umbrella.
Okay.
Umbrella.
I'm gonna take it from both of y'all.
No.
Yes.
No.
Here, mommy.
Say no. Yes. No. Yes. Mommy. Crackers.
Yes, I have crackers.
Mine.
You want goldfish, Milani?
Crackers, mommy.
You want crackers?
Yeah. Mommy. Mama, I eat some goldfish.
Here. No, you're not getting the whole bag. Here. Come, mommy. Here. Here, Milani. You're worried about the umbrella. You're not worried about your food.
Mommy.
Yes.
I'll give it to Milani.
You'll give it to Milani?
I'll give it to Milani for the Oh.
Here, give her a goldfish.
Yeah. Here. Mommy.
You want turkey?
No, I don't want such turkey.
No.
Milani wants a turkey too. How about cheese and turkey? Mommy, how about cheese and turkey?
How about it? Do you want it?
Yeah. We're gonna open it and we got cheese and turkey. Let me tell her.
You want some, mommy?
This is mommy.
Look, here.
Mommy.
Yes, Papa.
How about some cheese then? How about cracker and some cheese?
Cracker and cheese.
Yeah.
Here. You don't want it? You just want the cheese?
And cheese.
Mine.
That's an eating thing down there.
What?
Mommy. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can. Yeah, and it's also so awesome.
more cheese, mommy? Hmm?
Mommy, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Okay. She don't want any crackers, Sky.
Yeah, cracker cheese.
No.
Okay. I'm putting.
You want more?
Mommy,
That's time.
I'm just.
Hmm? I want to finish eating.
When we finish eating, we can go in the water.
Yes, we can. Yeah. Milani. No.
So we are doing something else to be something where we eat something. So we're gonna go in the wave. So I don't know where we're at. So Milani's right here.
Mm-hmm.
So only Amakai have only this goal. And we have food. And we have turkey and cheese.
Turkey and cheese.
So we have turkey and cheese, yep. And so we have an umbrella, so we have cheese.
Where are we at, Papa?
We're in Africa.
Where are we now?
We're in the beach.
We in the beach?
Yeah, we're in the beach because we're in the beach and we eat some sandwich. And so we eat some sandwiches.
We're eating some sandwich.
Yeah, so we eat some sandwich. So we eat it the whole time.
Say peace.
Cheese.
Peace.
Peace.
Today is Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I'm actually supposed to have a sponsored video go up today. Still haven't gotten my payment, so it hasn't gone up. I don't post sponsored content unless I get paid. So yeah, and I'm actually editing a video for you guys. I think this is gonna be Friday's video. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Anyways, I'll see y'all in 5 minutes. Good morning. Happy birthday to your girl. It's officially really my birthday. Yesterday was the day before it wasn't my birthday. But anyways, let's get into it. So I'm gonna try to do my lashes myself. This is the Kiss Bond, and then this is the Kiss Envy long lasting individual lashes. I got some short lashes, I got some long lashes. I'm mostly gonna use this side. No, I already know these are a bit long for me. So your girl's lashes is done. I feel like I'm getting better doing lashes, and I feel like these will last a lot longer also. Papa is in here with me. Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
So in here is hot as hell, so I'm gonna come up, talk to my husband. Babe said he has a massage plan for me. I'm on the floor. I'm on the floor. Okay? Massage planned, scheduled. Thank you, Jaden.
You're not supposed to be on the tricycle.
You ready to eat? Let me share out your food.
Oh, mochi. Oh, mommy. Okay.
He's about to come off in a minute. I'm coming home.
Makai.
Hi, why are you on Milani stuff?
I don't know, Mom. I'm just unsewing. It's stuff like
Looks nice.
Daddy, look at me on the camera. Yeah, I'm on the camera. Hi, my name is Kat. My name is Kat, and I love to run. Okay, that's enough. So you're heavy.
Here you go.
How are your fries and nuggets?
No horse putting by the counter, so you don't knock over the flowers.
Here we go.
Thank you, Dad. Kai, what did you just say?
What did he just say?
He says, I have something.
Oh my
You
god.
sure did.
Oh my
Why am I
god.
cussing?
Because of his dad.
Me.
Jesus, Father. I could have.
So this wig is actually from Tinashe. Here it is a 6x6 transparent closure wig, and it is supposed to be 180 density. I don't know where they got that this wig is a 180% density, or maybe because I haven't been wearing human hair for a while, but this is not 180. This is more like 130, 150, and this hair sheds so bad. I don't know why I messed with it and bleached the knot, but I should have left it. They claim it's a transparent lace. To me, it's a light brown lace. I bleached it and the lace turned orange. That's not really giving transparent lace. This here is supposed to be a body wave and it didn't hold a curl. I would have much rather left it straight. It wasn't giving. But if you want something that's cheap and easy and that's a closure and you don't have to do a full frontal, it's okay. I don't think it's gonna last very long, but I'm gonna give it a few weeks and see how it holds up, and then I'll do a full review.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got.
So I keep it simple with my makeup normally because it's super hot in Florida. I went in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, then some Juvia's Place concealer and LA Girl mixed together, did my brows, added some cream blush from Fenty Beauty, my lip gloss and lipstick, and that was about it. I didn't do much for my makeup because I know I wanted to have fun and turn up, and I'm gonna sweat out this makeup. Plus I was hurrying because my daughter wouldn't go to sleep and we were late. Okay, and I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys my outfit, but I'll insert a picture of the outfit that I actually wore because I featured it in my collective haul last week. So yeah, enjoy.
No love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when.
So this is the outfit that I wore on my birthday with some nice black strappy heels. I actually didn't get any good pictures, so I'll be wearing this outfit again until I get the pictures that I want. And yeah.
Hey, Daddy, when you gonna stop playing? Bad bitch, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad bitch, I could be a fantasy. Tell me how you want it. 3, 2, 1, and I'm on it. Feel good, don't it? Good chick, you in a bunny. I'ma bust it on the floor like bunnies. Just being honest. Juicy, mini made, but can't pull one mini made. Not a side or main. I'm the only one in the game. Spending his mind in the bank. I like what I see.
Hi everyone. So the last time you saw me was probably when I was leaving out to go to the club. You probably saw some video footage of me at the club, some pictures we took, and then today is Sunday. I had breakfast in bed because this is my my birthday weekend, but my birthday weekend also falls on Father's Day. So I had breakfast in bed and I made babe his favorite meal for Father's Day. So if my eyelashes and my hair is any indication of how my night went, you guys already know. But I had a wonderful time. Happy Father's Day to all the real fathers out there. And I'm gonna end this vlog right here because I'm tired. I'm about to go lay my butt down and sleep. We went to bed like 6 a.m. Got up, babe made breakfast, went to sleep. Then I got up and made dinner, and now he's asleep, and now I'm about to go to bed too. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Deuces.